Hey there! Today we're diving into a tech problem that many NVIDIA users might face. So, here's the deal. NVIDIA recently rolled out their new NVIDIA App, which is set to replace GeForce Experience and NVIDIA Control Panel. But here comes the problem. The info out there doesn't clearly state if the new app automatically uninstalls both GeForce Experience and NVIDIA Control Panel. So, the big question is, the users need to manually uninstall these programs before or after installing the NVIDIA app. In addressing the solution, the NVIDIA users shared their experience. When they upgraded their personal system, only GeForce Experience was automatically uninstalled. So, it looks like the NVIDIA app doesn't take care of removing both GeForce Experience and NVIDIA Control Panel for you. This means that if you want a clean slate, you'll have to manually uninstall those programs yourself post-installation of the new app. Solution: when I upgraded my personal system, only GeForce Experience was uninstalled. Alright, to sum it up, if you're looking to transition to the new NVIDIA app from GeForce Experience and NVIDIA Control Panel, you might have to roll up your sleeves and bid manual goodbyes to the old programs. Remember, technology moves fast, so make sure to stay on top of these updates. So, good luck with your NVIDIA journey, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. See you next time.